In the depths of Turkey's cities, there is a history of the fastest subway train, which can shuttle between cities at an astonishing speed of 120 kilometers per hour. But it is worth mentioning that, from the excavation of subway tunnels, the construction of stations, to the manufacture of car parts, every link of this subway project is independently designed and manufactured by China. In just 180 days, they successfully created the world's most difficult subway project and the shortest construction record. However, when Turkey chose to cooperate with China to build the subway project, this decision aroused doubts. Few believed that China would be able to complete this magnificent subway construction in such a short period of time. Obviously, the Chinese engineering team broke these doubts with practical actions. So, how did the Chinese engineering team complete the entire subway construction in such a short period of time? Located in Istanbul province, Turkey, Istanbul Airport is one of the largest airports in the world. At present, the airport can accommodate up to 90 million passengers per year, which not only improves Turkey's transportation capacity, but also pushes its international image to a new peak. However, despite Istanbul's reputation for its millennia-old cultural history, it also faces the challenge of inaccessible public transportation. Turkey has the largest airport in the world, but it urgently needs to improve the transportation infrastructure around the airport to ensure that tourists can go to other destinations smoothly. In order to improve the operational efficiency of the airport and the travel experience of passengers, Turkey decided to build an underground train to closely connect Istanbul Airport with the city center. I believe that most people don't know that China is also one of the world's leaders in the field of subway development. As of 2022, China has built the longest subway network in the world. A total of 48 cities have opened subway lines, with a total mileage of more than 10,000 kilometers. This figure far exceeds that of other countries, and China's subway network is still expanding and developing. At the same time, the success of China's subway has also won wide recognition in the international market. China has started to export subway trains and technology to many countries, including the United States, Portugal, etc. These countries choose to buy subway trains from China not only because of China's technical level and reliable quality, but also because China's subways have accumulated rich experience in operation management and service quality. From Turkey's point of view, China Metro has accumulated rich experience in cooperation with other countries, so it has become their preferred partner. However, this project also brings great challenges to China, because Istanbul Airport receives a large number of passengers every day. In order to ensure that the subway project can be put into use as soon as possible, the construction period must be strictly compressed while saving costs. These two conditions have added difficulties to the subway upgrade project, but it is these difficulties that have enabled Chinese companies to show their own advantages in this project. The Istanbul Metro expansion project is an underground project with extremely high technical difficulty. Due to the complex construction environment and the many prosperous areas in the city, the construction is extremely difficult. During the construction of this subway project, China also adopted a large number of automated machinery and equipment, which brought revolutionary changes to the project. First, the Chinese construction team used advanced shield machines to widen the original railway tunnel. These shield machines continuously excavate tunnels underground and lay pipes, creating large tunnel spaces. Once the tunnel construction is complete, the construction team begins the installation of the tunnel lining and the construction of other related facilities. In addition, the Chinese construction team also applied automation equipment to the laying of subway lines. These advanced equipment can automatically adjust working parameters according to design requirements, thereby improving the accuracy and quality of railway laying. The introduction of this technology not only improves construction efficiency and quality, but also greatly reduces labor costs and engineering investment. Therefore, in less than 6 months, the Chinese construction team successfully completed the 36-kilometer underground railway. According to the plan of Chinese engineers, once the airport subway is officially open to traffic, passengers will be able to shuttle underground at a speed of 120 km per hour. It will take less than 25 minutes from Istanbul to the airport, and it can transport up to 800,000 passengers a day. In addition to building underground railways, China has also exported driverless automated trains to Turkey. China exported 176 brand new trains to Turkey with a total value of more than 2.7 billion yuan. All the subways adopt the four-section formation, which is composed of 4 carriages and can carry 1,100 passengers each time. These trains can run at a top speed of 120 km per hour and are completely controlled by powerful computers. They are safe and efficient, giving people a sense of technology. It is worth mentioning that all the unmanned automated trains exported from China to Turkey are manufactured and installed locally in Turkey, which can provide relevant technologies to the Turkish subway sector and train relevant manufacturing technicians. For Turkey, in the next 30 years, this brand new subway line will lead Turkey into a new era of economic and sustainable development. At the same time, this subway line will save Turkey about $3.01 million, which will greatly reduce road maintenance costs, reduce air pollution, and save people's travel time.